Are you launching a new blog or business website, but you don't have any budget to hire a professional to help you with it? Are you trying to DIY your WordPress website, but you're getting overwhelmed with all the links, all the options, all the buttons, and you don't even know what most of them are for? Breathe in, breathe out. I've got you, no worries. I have a course, Online Presence 101, that's designed to do just that. Guide you through DIYing your very first brand and website. So go to the link in my bio for more information. But wait, because there's more. We're actually working on upgrading this course. Right now it's an email course that gets delivered to your inbox during 2 weeks, straight to your inbox, every lesson. But we're going to be moving it to a course platform. We're adding a lot of bonus content. We're adding a lot of extra videos to guide you through what you need and help you with all those things all those questions that come up when you're first starting your website. I know how overwhelming it can be. I was new at all these ones too as well. But I need your help. So would you mind going to the comments of this video and telling me your questions about branding, WordPress, and web design? Any question that you have. I just want to make sure that we have the content that's actually going to help you with what you are really struggling right now, and not just what I think you might be struggling. I really want to hear from you. Also, there's a third part to this. If you buy our course right now for the price of $67, in a couple of weeks when the new course comes out, that's gonna be at least double the price, you're gonna get it for free, because I'm just gonna move everyone that's taken the email course, take them to the new platform for free. So if this is something that will help you, if this is something that applies to your situation right now, I recommend you go right away and get that course and start learning with our basic course that we have right now. And then in a couple weeks, you'll get all the extra content that's gonna help you even more, okay? Thank you.